here, another side. So let's find. Look at that. 50 pesos. Yep, yep. How you imagine you can buy a lot of orange in just 50 pesos?
Divisoria is a great place for cheap wholesale style shopping in Metro Manila, especially if you want the lowest price for bulk buying and bargain finds and known as one of the cheapest shopping district in Philippines. A common stop for small business owner and reseller, you can often get better price when buying 3, 6 or more of the same items. The, the low price on many items, clothes, accessories, footwear, bags, school and office supply, and everyday items are usually much cheaper than in regularly malls. You can find fabric, textile, toys, and goods. Ready-to-wear clothing and lots of more across outdoor stall and indoor mall like 169 Mall, 999 Mall, Divisoria Mall, and Tutuban Center. Market atmosphere, the street around Recto, Juan Luna.
So here you can buy that one. And yes, a lot of people. Actually, every Christmas here, there's a lot of people buying for the Christmas things, gift, and they are buying fruits also. Yes, because here they have every school they have a Christmas party, even work they have a Christmas party, so they are buying gift for the Christmas. And look at that, the Visoria is very busy, and let's find some fruits that you can buy very cheap fruits here. You can buy 50 pesos this. And oh sorry, you can buy 335 pesos for that one. So let's walk. They look at the camera. Look at this. You can buy 50 pesos. Very busy area. Look at that. So we're trying to find.
Shoutout sa mga taga-Bacolod dyan. Always Manila.